Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, my name is Payal and I love to post makeup and fashion related videos. So starting off with the eyes, applying my favorite Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Fair Beige to prime and conceal, and gonna set it up with Maybelline Fit Me powder as well. Also, to add depth and to create dimension, I will be applying sugar bronzer in the crease. And let me tell you, in this unlock one, this is my everyday kind of go-to makeup look. I do switch up the lipsticks every day. And now I will be taking the eyeliner pen by Oriflame and I will be making a wing on the top line. This is my everyday kind of wing eyeliner. I do it every day almost. Also guys, do let me know if you guys want to see any kind of makeup looks. I'll try to recreate that. So do comment down below. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and going to apply one of my favorite mascara, which is the Wet n Wild mascara. This gives a good length to my eyelashes and it's really nice. And that's it. This is what my eyes are looking at the moment, and now I will be priming my face with the Garnier BB cream, and then I have applied Wet n Wild photo focus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. This really suits my skin tone and I just love this foundation. So if you have very super clean hands, you can apply the foundation with your hands or just use your beauty blender. Today I will be using my hands, and then I will be taking a shimmery shade. It's a white shimmery shade and going to highlight the inner part of the eyes, going to highlight the brow bone, and also going to apply the highlighter on the cheekbones, the nose, the cupid's bow, wherever I need it to glow. So for the blusher, I'm using Wet n Wild Plastic Pink blusher. It gives a really nice flush to my cheeks. And now for the lipstick, I'm using Cherry Red by Body Shop. I do switch up the lipstick every day by nude shade or dark red lipsticks or any kind of lipsticks. And also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can follow me now. I do post personal stuffs over there. My handle is PAYAL underscore SAHA 93. You can just go and follow me there. So this is my final look, and also you have noticed a pimple on my face over there. To hide that, I have created a dot with the eyeliner pen to create a beauty spot on my face to hide that zit. And that's it. I hope you guys like the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share my videos. Thank you all. Bye bye.